Hi and welcome to the Trending Today. My name is Hassan Haruna. These are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Wife of the president, Senator Olaremi Tinubu, donated over 100 million naira to Dikko oil tanker victims. She was accompanied by wife of the vice president, Nana Kashim Shettima, on Tuesday. Meanwhile, there is exploit of two oil tanker in Adamawa State on Tuesday night, but there is no casualties. Bandit kingpin Kachala Yerima returned to Katsina State after serving 9 years in jail from Niger Republic. He returned home yesterday and welcomed by his people. This is what is happening in Nigeria, especially northern Nigeria. There is terrorism, but how can a terror be sentenced to only 9 years in jail and return to his normal business? So we can find out what next. Our government officials in Nigeria shut down illegal hospital in Abuja after patients died from butcher's surgery. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has approved over 80 billion naira for Alo Dam construction and expansion after Federal Executive Council meeting on Tuesday. We can remember Alo Dam collapsed in September 2024, which caused devastation in Maiduguri. Life lost, houses were destroyed. A big congratulations to Maiduguri residents and the entire northeastern Nigeria, because Alo Dam is part of the irrigation farming. Farmers are benefiting from the Alo Dam. Now politics. Let us look at Kaduna State. What is happening in Kaduna State? Obasani has become loyal supporter of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but the judgment day is coming soon, according to former Governor Nasru El-Rufai. This dispute started since last year after EFCC arrested many cabinet of former Governor Nasru El-Rufai. This dispute continues, but many people say that this is what is going on in among the politicians in Nigeria. So we can find out what will happen next. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels, like, comment, and share. And also you can follow us in X, Facebook. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.